Hello everybody, welcome back to Trading with Zeph. Happy November 1st, hope everyone had a great Halloween. Today we're going to be looking at the 17th and 18th trade I've taken, both winners on the day. We just have 2 more trades left for the 20 trade exercise, but I wanted to show you the hourly chart since we're having a bounce and just go over the daily hourly chart, hourly chart. Okay, so got the Kettler channels here. Have a really nice uptrend going on. We just retouched the 42.23 mark, and now we are being rejected. We're outside of the Kettler channel, so potential move to the downside temporarily. We also have the 2-period RSI here, and that was all the way over at 98, and now we're back down to 47. So, using that Larry Connors 2-period RSI strategy as well. I like to add it just for context, just to see where the mean can go back. So that's where it's at on the hourly chart. Let's jump over 2,000 tick chart. I'll show you my 2 trades on the day. This is what it looks like for the time at the moment. We do have some FOMC stuff here at 2 p.m. I want to say, what is it, 2 p.m.? Yeah, 2 p.m. Federal funds rate, the FOMC statement, and press conference. So basically today is pretty congested. So, yeah. Nonetheless, nice bull uptrend on the day. So let's just jump right into this first one here. Pink arrow is where I got it. Let me give you the data series real quick and text to marker this. Okay, there we go. So I saw this nice bull uptrend. I saw a little sideways movement. I saw first entry long, second entry long, really no signal bar, a little congested. So I wanted to make confirmation of the setup to know that the EMA is holding and everything like that. And what you have here, let me change the cursor for you. You have first entry short, pull back, second entry short. One tick above. I had enough room for 1 point. So instead of going for my 2 points, I went for the 1 point here. Should I have gone for 2 points? I don't think so, just because of the room it has. Should I have skipped this trade? That's another, argument that can be made. As far as the context, I did like the first entry short, second entry short, and also lower, made a higher low than the previous low. So that does mean something to me. So, did I have enough for 2 points? It would really have been at the top here at that line of resistance. And since it was a little congested, 1 point I thought I could get a quick move for trapping the short traders who tried to go short and thought this move was down. But nonetheless, got my 1 point, and sure enough, goes for 2 points. But it does come right back down. So then goes a little higher. You got first entry long, pull back, second entry long, but this is against this signal bar. You're just going right into resistance, and you don't know it's going to run up. So first trade, 1 point, quick, easy scalp. Not the worst, not the best. Again, this is pretty congested, so maybe I should have just skipped it entirely or dropped a fat limit order all the way back somewhere around here, but then I wouldn't have gotten filled. So I don't know. Hindsight's 20/20. You never know. You just got to go for it. Nonetheless, I like the second trade a little bit better. We do a trading range here. You get, again, a lot of congestion going on today, so that's why I was really patient with the setups. And you get a nice downtrend break, new extreme formed. Okay, so then we start going sideways. Recognize trading ranges a lot better now. Realize it's happening. You get a first entry short, second entry short failure. Well, I marked it. Would have been almost 2 points. Actually, you would have got your 2 points. You just have to wait quite a while. But again, nonetheless, nice uptrend, breaks. Then I get a first entry long, pull back, second entry long. And that's when this bar flashed all the way down really fast. So it was bullish, and all of a sudden, all the ticks went away, flashed red. So I dropped a limit order in, and I dropped my limit order in right here on this nice line at, let me change the cursor, at 42.34.75. My 2 points will stop is 1, 2, 1 tick right above the signal bar. So I was talking previously yesterday about if I'm unsure or I want to reduce risk, I'm going to drop a limit order. If I don't get filled, I don't get filled, but I need to think of risk before the profit. And in this case, I did it. This is why I like this trade better, and I like this setup better too. You clearly see first entry long, pullback, second entry long, rejection, right off the EMA, right off of this failed breakout. And the overall trend is now to the downside, and the hourly chart also confirms it as well. Okay, so this time, go for 2 points. I just let it run. I just let it leave it. I just sit through the pain, sit through the emotion, which is the hardest thing to do. If you know, you know. And I go for my 2 points. I had an expectation that the price would at least come and test down this area, which it did. And now that's where we're at the moment. So I'll try to make this video a little shorter. Those are my 2 trades on the day, 17th, 18th. At the end of the 20th trade. So if I take 2 tomorrow, I'll do a trade performance review and show you guys the result. And yeah, I feel pretty good about these trades today. Come in, a lot of news this week. So we'll see how it goes. Happy November 1st. See you guys tomorrow.